What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the IDEX token on Coinbase. So the first step is of course open Coinbase, and after that you need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, go to the search bar right on top and search for the IDEX token. Now, as you can see, it is appearing and we will select it. So select the token and you will arrive at the token page, and as you can see we have a price chart over here with different time frames to select. Now you can see what the coin has done in the past, and after that read some information down below. As you can see, there is some information and also some stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply, and of course the all-time high. Now for the trading you need to go back up and go to the trading options right on top. And we will select the buy option for this video, because we would like to buy this coin. As you can see, the one-time order is selected as default, but if you click on it you are also able to set up a recurring buy order. This is a order which set up automatic purchases during a daily, weekly or monthly time frame. For now we will choose the one-time order, that is a single order for the current market price. The next step is to fill in the amount of euros or dollars you would like to spend on this coin, let's say 1000 euros, and after that you will see the amount of coins we will receive in return. Now select the payment method by clicking on it. If your preferred payment method is not in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have added it, select the payment method and always double check the coin which you are going to buy. Now click on review order. And as you can see, we are paying a transaction fee towards Coinbase. This is a fee which you are paying for using their platform. But if you would like to save yourself a lot of money, then you need to use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free, and on this order alone you are already saving up to 38 euros. So it's definitely worth it. After those 7 days you are paying around 25 euros a month. So with one order a month you are already making profit with it. Now if you decided to buy these coins, then click on the buy now button and these coins will be added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!